Very soon, asking someone's phone number to add them on WhatsApp is going to be irrelevant because WhatsApp is now implementing username, just like Telegram. If you want to create your username or reserve yours today, this is how to do it. Your username will keep your phone number private from people who don't already know it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create or reserve your username today. Open your WhatsApp app. I am on iPhone. On iPhone, you have to click on the bottom right corner where it says you. Go to your profile and click on your profile picture. And here, you're going to see your profile details. You can now see an option to reserve your username. Click on it. It gives me 3 options. Create username, use the one I have on Instagram, or use the one I have on Facebook. So I think I'm going to click on create username. From here, you can now go with a unique username. So most of the username are now taken. That's why it's important to reserve yours today. _Chibundu. This one is available. And when you put your username, click on save, and it's going to save your username. So in future, if someone asks you, hey, I want to add you on WhatsApp, instead of giving them your number, you just give them your username. They can use it to add you on WhatsApp, just like on Telegram. So that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.